G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's here today showing you this range of EXPED Mesh Organisers.
Hit it.
These are lightweight and durable storage pouches with mesh panels on the front and back that are perfect for keeping your bag organised whether you're trekking or travel. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. These guys come in 4 different sizes. The colours depict the size, so you've got the small through to extra large here. Now, the small version here is about 2.25 litres in capacity, weighs just 24 grams and measures 16 centimetres in length, 14 centimetres in width and 6 centimetres in height. The medium is a 9 litre pouch, weighs 38 grams, 28 centimetres in length, 17 centimetres in width and 13 centimetres in height. The large, the red one here, is an 18 litre pouch, weighs 15 grams, and measurements are 38 centimetres in length, 27 centimetres in width and 13 centimetres in height here. And then the big one, the extra large here, only weighs 58 grams, but you get 20 litres of storage out of that, and it's 40 centimetres in length this way, 36 centimetres in width, and you've got 9 centimetres of height there. So 4 different sizes. These are great for travel, trekking, whatever you like, good way to organise your pouches. I want to go through the features on each one. Now they're made with durable materials. EXPED's a Swiss company and they don't cut corners in their manufacturing. They come up with all sorts of crazy ideas and they tend to just make them and see how it goes. Really high quality craftsmanship. So it's a 30 denier ripstop polyester, this material here, and then a high quality fine no-seam mesh. So you can see what you've packed inside the bag there. So they're really designed to go inside another bag. Sitting out by themselves, this isn't quite as durable as this fabric here. So inside a bag, they offer visibility to what you've got inside, as well as a good amount of durability while it's protected inside a bag. I'm going to show you the features inside first because I'll put something inside to show you the outside after. Now firstly, inside, not much to see, just what you'd expect. You can see the inside from the outside anyway, but it does have this little pouch in here. Now this can be used, I suppose, to separate other items inside, or maybe small items if you've got jewelry, or maybe some coins if you're using it for money or anything. You can store it in the little pouch inside there. But this also doubles as a storage pouch for this pouch. So if you're not using it and you want to tuck it away or clip it to something securely, just push that pouch inside and then fold this up and just tuck it inside itself there. And there's a little lid that will go over the top. And this is actually how it looks when you buy it, packed up a little bit neater than this, but when you buy it, it comes packed up in its own little storage pouch like that. And you've got a little carry handle there so that you can, well, not carry handle, but you can clip it to something, I suppose. So what you'd use that for, I don't know, but hey, it's there if you need it. This pouch is probably more useful as a little pouch to separate things inside. I'm going to put a shirt inside here to show you the features on the outside. Firstly though, before I do that, I forgot to mention the binding in here. So EXPED's quality craftsmanship means that all of these spots where the fabrics are joined are all bound with a strip of binding in here, which means there's no frayed edges. It's all tucked away nice and neatly. Now I've got a shirt here. This is the small pouch, which was about 2 litres. So this is just a standard flannelette shirt that I'm going to put in here. You can see this one opens from the top, or sort of halfway along the small version here. The zip comes up halfway up the storage pouch there. If I do this up and compare it with the other ones, you can see the zip orientation is a little bit different on the other sizes. So this zip right around the middle there, like that one. Now, when we get up to this size here, the zip actually goes around the top edge here rather than halfway down. And that's the same with these sizes here. You can see the zip here sits up around the top of the bag rather than halfway through. So that's the main difference between the small and the other larger versions. We're having a look at the outside of the small here. Obviously the fabric, polyester fabric all around the outside and the panels on the bottom there. Then the mesh panel at the top here, which you can just see my shirt through that panel there. Same on the back, you can see through that to what's inside. And you can also see, I don't know if you can make it out on the camera, but you can see the mesh, little storage mesh pocket inside there. So you can easily identify what's in the bag. Now, as with all of EXPED's manufacturing, they use quality YKK zips, and they've included a little zipper pull with a glow sort of feature on there, and they're double zip, so they zip both ways. And there's little pulls on the side here as well, so that when you go to unzip it, you can grab this and unzip it nice and easily. It gives you those on both sides of the zipper there, so it's really easy to use. It's pretty much all the features of the EXPED Mesh Organisers. These are really handy pouches for keeping your pack or bag organised, whether you're trekking, travelling, even in the car, backseat of the car, keeping the kids' stuff organised, paperwork even if you like, or books or that sort of thing. really lightweight and durable way to keep yourself all sorted out on your adventures. Now, 4 sizes available. You can also buy it as a 4-pack. So this here is this bag on the outside here, and then there's one of each of these sizes packed up inside here. So however you want to buy it, whether it be individually or as a 4-pack, you can check these out online at snowies.com.au.